I'm Mark Cunningham, and I'm a trainer for Concept. Sure, I'm a clinical and forensic psychologist. I was in clinical practice for many years and gradually began to be involved in consulting in forensic cases, doing forensic evaluations. And over time, that practice morphed more and more in that direction. Decided to become board certified in forensic psychology, not as an affirmation about my capabilities, but really in a developmental step to become better at forensic psychology. And so made kind of a mid-career transition from a primarily clinical emphasis to forensic psychology consultations. Shortly after becoming board certified in forensic psychology, I was called upon to do a capital case, use some of the training that I'd gotten in that board certification process. I did some innovative applications on the basis of that, began to be called on other cases, and pretty quickly began to consult in capital cases around the United States. I do a significant amount of capital sentencing, capital-related evaluations, but also do many other criminal-related evaluations of competency to stand trial or mental state at time of offense. This gave me the opportunity to go back and review case law and to think about, for example, as I was developing the primary determinants of sentencing, to do some thinking about how those were operationalized by the Supreme Court in Atkins and Graham and some of those cases. And so that was an interesting insight that I had not put together before, that in fact those broad sentencing determinants of needs of justice or retribution, general deterrence, specific deterrence, and moral culpability were some of the concepts that the court then applied in those cases. It also gave me the opportunity to go back and update some of my understandings about special offender populations like female capital offenders, to make sure that my data in that area was up to date. I like to work out, I like to travel, I like to go out to eat, maybe too much. Those are the main hobbies that I have. Reading when I have time, but travel, working out, going out to eat, hanging out.